My beloved child, stop for a moment and listen to my voice, because today I speak directly to your heart. I know you've been searching for answers, wrestling with doubt, crying in silence, wondering if I've forgotten you, but I haven't. I've seen every tear, every sleepless night, every prayer you whispered when no one else was around. And now I reveal to you what you've been longing to know, my final decision for you. This is not a punishment. This is not rejection. This is my divine declaration. You are chosen. You are seen. You are not behind, not too broken, not too late. I allowed the storm, not to destroy you, but to develop you. I permitted the pain, not to punish you, but to prepare you. Every delay was divine. Every setback was sacred. I was never absent. I was building you in silence. And now the season is shifting. I am opening doors no man can shut. I am lifting you to places you never imagined. I am healing what you thought was permanently broken. My final decision is favor, grace, abundance, and restoration. I have not changed my mind about you. Even when you doubted yourself, I still believed in who I created you to be. Even when others left you, I stood by your side. Even when you thought it was over, I was just getting started. I'm bringing you out of the shadows and into your purpose. Your story will not end in defeat. It will end in glory. But hear me, this blessing is not just for you. It's so you can be a blessing to others. You will rise, not for your ego, but for my glory. You will walk through open doors, not because you earned it, but because I ordained it. So lift your head, breathe in this truth. Let go of the shame. Let go of the guilt. Let go of the fear. You are mine. You are chosen. You are ready. This is not a maybe. This is not a guess. This is a decree from heaven. My final decision for you is yes. Yes to healing. Yes to purpose. Yes to victory. Yes to the next level. So walk with me, trust me, and watch what I do next. I am your God. I am your Father, and I have spoken. Now, let it be done.